I want to do a quick review of some important notation, which is function notation. We have a set of axes here, and the horizontal axis is x, and the vertical axis we've labeled y, and say that there's some function that we're looking at, so some correlation between two variables. And this function has the name f of x. So x is the input variable, and then the function will output a certain y variable. So importantly, when we have this function sitting here, y is also called f of x. Y is your output value. And so we think of these as both names for what's happening along this vertical axis. So maybe we have the point, this would be the point, maybe 2, 5. And so we often write these points like this. But say that we have a point that's right here, like 7. And we don't know the number that the y value of that x value is. So you can write that this little point right here on the graph right here is the point 7, and then f of 7, whatever the function evaluates to when you have an input of 7. Or if you had something like, I don't know, like some variable c, then this point up here could be labeled c and then f of c. Because always the input value comes first and the output value comes next. So if you had something like x1, this right here on the graph is the point x1, that's the x variable, and whatever the output is. Okay, so I just wanted to kind of review that function notation so we're all on the same page. Also, just remember in your preview quiz for 1.3 that the slope of any line that's connecting 2 points on a curve is going to be, difference of y values over difference of x values. This could also show up like, f of x2 minus f of x1 over x2 minus x1. These you should be pretty familiar and feel comfortable about both of these.